Crochet along and learn how to recreate the herringbone double crochet stitch. You can use any number of chains to begin your pattern. Simply add 2 for the foundation chain. For the swatch we are creating, begin with a slip knot in chain 17. Skip 3 chains and herringbone half double crochet in the next stitch and in every stitch in the row. To create the herringbone double crochet stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into the designated chain or stitch, yarn over and pull through the chain and the first loop on the hook. Yarn over and draw through one more loop on the hook, yarn over and draw through both loops in the hook. Repeat this for every chain in the row. The herringbone double crochet stitch is a popular stitch used in creating a wide variety of projects, from crochet blanket to crochet tops and hats. This beautiful stitch derives its name from the pattern its fabric produces. The sloping stitches in opposite rows creates a visual image that resembles a fishbone. At the end of the row, turn your work and chain 3. This chain counts as your first double crochet stitch. Herringbone double crochet in the next stitch and in every stitch in the row. To create a longer fabric, repeat step 2 until you have reached the desired length needed for your project. Don't forget to click on the subscribe, like and share buttons, or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.